So there are tools you can use to change your mindset. But if you are in trouble, please, you have to develop the self-control, because if you don't, you'll be in bigger trouble. And the more pain you're in, the more suffering you're in, the harder it is to be disciplined. So if you feel that you need a change, you have to work on your mindset. How do you do that? Use the law of assumption. Okay? Some people, they have put in their mind that they're always going to be ill. Some people have put in their mind, due to trauma, that they need to be overweight. Some people have put in their mind that they need illness because the illness gets attention from others. You're not aware of this, but it's working on the background. And you have to stop and ask yourself, what's going on here? Why am I doing this to myself? Did I go through something as a child? Is there trauma in my life? That sort of thing. And then you don't need to go too deep, but you have to recognize that there's a problem stopping you. And once you know what that problem is, even if it's not to the detail, you can use the law of assumption to rewrite or reprogram the mind. So you'll say a statement like this: whenever I eat something, I get healthier. Whenever I see fruits, I want to eat more of it. That sort of statements, these are law of assumptions. You are making assumption that it's a new you. Also, when you close your eyes, you should visualize yourself as the new you, even though it has not yet happened. For instance, if someone were to come to you and say, and you are sick, and say you are sick, you would say, no, I'm healthy. Even though the outside world, physical reality says you are unhealthy, your reality in your mind, your new assumption is that you are healthy or that you have lost the weight. Okay, this kind of mindset or change of mind using the law of assumption or your imagination will allow the new you to become a reality, because the new you will start, the new now will start making changes that are in line with the better and healthier you, because you've already decided in your mind and already seen yourself in your mind as the new person you want to be, as a reality, as a manifestation, or even though it's not yet present, it's real in your mind.